The King's Village. Tell my daughter that she should give up the school that she has been dreaming about. Instead, she should open an orphanage. Tell her to go and buy land, design it, put everything down how it should be. Tell her not to be afraid, for I have seen her heart. I will cause men to sow into her life, and she will lack nothing. I will hasten my word to perfect it. That prophecy from Mrs. Patricia Ikiriko led to the birth of the King's Village, which is home to the Oasis of Love Model Schools, primary and secondary, the administrative block, the large auditorium, Adonai Retreat Center, Vineyard Residential Quarters, the chapel, the Father's House, mini halls, Wonderland Recreational Parks, and other facilities including a football field, a basketball court, a swimming pool, African kitchen and bakery, to mention but a few. Today, Jesus is Lord Project Mercy Ministry is a prophetic commission that has impacted so many lives.
My name is Kindness Wiki King. I'm 18 years old. Before I was brought to this home, I wasn't going to school actually, but I'm New One, a student of the University of Calabar. I want to say a big thank you to the founder of this place, Omi Anna Mele, and to all those two that contributed. I want to say a very big thank you.
Happy 20th anniversary.